Hi, welcome to CCMT Close Combat Martial Art Training. My name is Kim. Today I'm going to show you how to restore your energy after you finish your martial art training. So while we're waiting for, let's get started. So this is how you restore your energy after you finish your martial art training, your sport activity, or your warm-up exercise, whatever you do. This is how you recover your energy back into 100%. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So let's get started right now. So first, you stand in a natural stance. You take a deep breath. And you hold it for a second, and you push out. And you take a deep breath again, and you breathe in. All the way in, hold for a second, and you drop. Push down. One last time, breathe in. All the way in, hold for a second, and push out. And this is how you do it when you try to restore your energy after you finish your martial training, your sport activity, or your warm-up exercise, whatever you do. This is how you recover to 100% back to normal. This is, I always done it most of the time when I'm practicing martial arts or whatever I do. It will help you recover so fast that you can't even imagine it. This is the Shaolin way, and I would like to share with you that today. Until next time, Instructor Kim is signing off from CCMT Close Combat Martial Art Training. Peace.